Extremely efficient remedy for cough mat with just 2 simple ingredients. Home treatment. The combination of honey and onion has been long used as an extremely efficient remedy for cough. What is great about both ingredients is that they are easily available throughout the whole year, and you probably always have some on hand, in your kitchen. Making home remedies provides a closer look at the ingredients you use. Unlike pharmaceutical drugs or other products loaded with hidden preservatives, artificial colors and aromas. Honey and onion home remedy for cough. Ingredients: 1 onion, 2 to 3 tablespoons organic honey. Preparation: pick a nice and healthy, medium-sized onion. Remove the skin and clean it well. Cut it into chunks. Put it in a bowl and pour over some honey. Cover with a plastic wrap and leave it overnight at room temperature. Strain in the morning, using a gauze or strainer. This dose is quite enough for a day. Take a tablespoon of the syrup every 2 hours or more often. You should feel some relief after a while. This home treatment will help you breathe easily and cough up any mucus. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.